Ron, thank you for being my friend. For those who have been shopping at the Home Depot, at West Thunderbird Road in Phoenix. The last few years, or maybe a couple decades like I have, I'm sure you know of Ron Jones. Every time I'm in the store and Ron is working, he seeks me out, running toward me with his hand stretched out, wanting to shake my hand. Through the years, Ron would demand that I take pictures of the home projects I was buying supplies at Home Depot to show him what it looks like. My last visit to Home Depot, he talked about a 1966 Mustang he was restoring for the Barrett Jackson auction in Scottsdale. So I decided to use my AI software to create completely restored Mustang that I think may look like Ron's Mustang when it's finished, for those who have not met Ron yet. While shopping at the Thunderbird Home Depot and want to meet him, go to the service counter and have him paged. You're in for a treat and first-class customer service. Tell him Harvey sent you. Ron, now I have a present for you. A free AI talking greetings video of your choice. Maybe like this one, or maybe just a simple friendship talking video for someone special. Go here. HarveySilverFox.com to request your free greeting video. Harvey out.